Now I know everybody hates arm caps, but they do double the life of your armchair. It doesn't wear out here from rubbing. It's the natural oils in the palms of our hands that actually eventually rots the fabric. Now, I don't like those arm caps that just sit like little doilies and always fall off on the end. If you make an arm cap, you can make it so that it looks like part of the chair. Take a bit of time to pattern match so everything flows around. Make it long enough so that you have a decent tuck in right down in there to hold it in place, and at the back as well. It could have a front fillet on it, or it could be made into a single fold following the line of what you've done underneath. You can machine it on the seams and the turnings, and you can also hold it in place on the outside arm with a little hook and eye or a pressed stud fastener. So it is possible to make an arm cap look nice at the same time as doubling the life of your chair.